Hello and welcome again to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to start our WordPress series. Actually, we had started the WordPress series with an old video a few weeks ago about how to install WordPress on your computer and to start your first site, and how to install a local server from XAMPP to make it your local server instead of the online server. In the future videos, we will see how to put our websites online. If you make a quick review to our previous video, we had studied what is WordPress. We had this great diagram speaking about the WordPress as a program, its plugins, how it's working like an app, what's the difference between a managed web hosting and a local server. And you can see I will be giving you the link below this video and on the top to this old video where we have given you the link to install a local server on your machine. We had installed it. We had used the admin tab to generate our data set or database on our computer. And we had went to the WordPress. We had installed our WordPress. We called it Try, which was the name of our website. And then we went to Try the localhost /try /wp WordPress-admin, and we had started the installation. We had linked it to our database which we had created, and then voila, here is our admin screen from which we are going to customize our website, which is WordPress based. WordPress is energizing almost 30% of the top sites in the world, and it's perfect. It's coming out of the box easy, and even you can customize it more. We will start this series by seeing how to customize it from the admin tab, and future wise we will go how to customize it as a programmer or as a backend or as front end developers, and we add some HTML and PHP codes. But for now, you have great features coming to you just from the admin tab, and we had added our first page and display it. We will start from this point. If we go to Try, which is localhost Try, and our home page, that's our home page, it's my work. And if I go to Try, which is the home page for this website, you will find that this one is selected as the posts page, and whether is the name of your website is linking you to your home page or linking you to your blogs, it's a selection from the settings of the WordPress. So simply we go again to our Try dashboard. This setting I was telling you, it's coming. You come to settings, reading. The default setting is that your home page displays your latest posts. You can change it to a static page, and you can select for it your home page, for example, my work. So this one will be the first page that appears to anyone who visits your website. After that, you can add another post page, and this will be your home page, and this will be your post page. We will see how we can make this now, because we have only one page, which is my work. So I will turn again to my latest posts, and I will come to pages, add new, I will simply call it my blog. Okay, and I will keep the template. We will go deeper in this. Usually the WordPress is coming out of the box loaded with some templates. You can add more templates in the future. We'll see how to add more templates customized and how to use it on our different pages. You can make many pages on your WordPress website. You are not only enclosed in this templates or in the pages that's given to you, or in one or two pages. You can make as many pages as you like, but the important is the user experience on your website. You need to match it, so you don't need to put too many pages, and then your user is confused. So select the default template and call it my blog and publish this page. Okay, publish, and then go to settings, reading again. Okay, and then we will select a static page as our home page, and this will be my work. You can select my blog, but we will make it my work, and then my posts page will be my blog. So my home page will be my work, and my post page will be my blog. And I will save settings, save changes. If now I go to my site, so that's my home page. If I click on the name, it goes to this page, not to my blogs as previously. And if I click on my blog, it's giving me all my blogs. I can click on any one of them to go inside the blog, whatever you had written inside it, and whatever photos or you had put. And this one is the previous one, which is hello world. You can go to the previous one from here. All this is coming out of the box from WordPress. We didn't do any piece of customization using HTML or PHP. Now if I come again to my blog, this one, and will giving me all the blogs, and my work is giving me my home page. If I return again to my dashboard, okay, now if we come to appearance, we have themes. Our WordPress is coming loaded with themes. Usually it is selecting the default theme for the year. So this year is 2020, so the default active theme is our 2020 theme. You will have few themes already preloaded. You can add your themes after that, and we will see how to add our customized themes after that, but or trial themes even. But for this one, we will have that 2020, 2019, 2017, and 2016 comings, and you can see how it looks. Every one of them looks as an initial view from here, and you can select anyone, then you can customize it. For example, this one 2016 is a classical view, which you having a side panel where you can add your posts, add categories, or add whatever links to your posts, or add any additional information about you, and so on. And you have a default page on the top. Here in the 2017, this one was coming with a head media that you can add even a video on it. So we are here in 2020, so we are going to customize our 2020 theme. In all the themes, the first tab, where we are going to focus today, you will find your site identity, which is the most important thing that you are going to brand yourself. So to brand yourself, you need to put your site identity. So this site identity, it needs a logo. You need to select a logo. It needs a site title. It's called try. So and tagline, which is the default one for any WordPress site. So it's just another WordPress. We'll change this one. Try one of, let me see, leave some spaces here, of the simple ways. Okay, and you have an icon, and I'll show you in a moment what this icon is doing and what this logo is doing. So first we will select a logo. Okay, I had uploaded the logo of the channel to here. So if we clicked on it, it's coming in 497 by 497 pixels. Okay, you can decrease this size. If you like, you can edit this image to decrease this size, but it will be slicing from here. It's better if you like to edit this image. You can scale it from here. For example, I needed a small one. We can leave it as it is, but it will be appearing big on the screen. So for example, I'll make this one 200 by 200, and I'll make scaling, and I will update. Close this tab, and I leave this one. Okay, and from here I come to appearance, themes, customize. Now I'm seeing you can see that you can customize everything from within the WordPress. So site identity again, select the logo, I'll select this one. See now it's 200 by 200 pixels. Select, skip cropping. Okay, and here's my logo coming. Another great trick, you like that select the site icon. Okay, you can select the same as the site icon. Site icon is the one that appears on the top, like you see the Twitter icon or the Facebook icon and so on. So I'll be selecting this one also again and select, and I'll skip cropping. Okay, and you can see here on the top it's coming now. It's changed to this one. Okay, so this one is the site icon. Okay, now I have done all the efforts and I will publish. Okay, I close this one and I go to see how my site is looking now. You see now here I'm having my logo, my logo here. Here I'm having my icon, and it's still stayed at just another WordPress site. I need to themes, go and change it again. So themes, customize, site identity. Here site title is try. You see that the logo is coming instead of the site title. Okay, and I believe you cannot change this position. Okay, so I'm going to write here try one of the simple ways. Okay, and then publish. This one is published. Okay, you go and view your site. You will see try one of the simple ways, and you've seen the logo, and you've seen, okay, that's to start with making the identity of your site, which is the most important thing that you can do. Then if I go again to try, or to my dashboard, as an admin, maybe I'm not pleased with this theme. I need to more classical theme. I find that this classical theme, for example, is the one that is fulfilling my needs. I don't like this other theme. If you have option to make a live review, and you can have an option to activate and or return again after that to your site, to your theme. So I will activate it. Okay, this one is active, the 2016, and then I will go to visit site. Now you can see that it's coming. Try one of the simple ways, adjusted, and it's coming with a page, not with the blog, and you find your recent blogs is coming here. Okay, it's a different one. It doesn't have the menu on the top as it was I was having in the previously, and we have the recent posts coming from here. Okay, and try it's sticking to my home page. Okay, so that's one theme. I can try another theme. If I like this one, I'll keep it. If I like another theme, I can come to appearance, themes, the 2017 themes, for example. I make a live review instead of activating it, so to try something different. Okay, you'll see that the site identity, you need to upload the logo. I'll select this one as a logo, select, skip cropping. Okay, now this one is selected. Try one of the simple ways, and my logo is coming. So activate and publish. You can see that here my logo is coming here on this one. Okay, this theme 2017 is having a great feature, which is the header media. For example, if I select to edit my header media, that's the default header media image for the theme. So I can change it. Even I can add a video. You can see a video from up to uploaded on my page, or a video through a URL. I had prepared one of my videos, the URL of one of my videos. I will going to copy this one, and I'm going back there, and I will put this one. Okay, you can see that every time you are here, you have your video is running. Okay, then I will publish it on this way. Okay, and then I go back. Okay, if you remember, we had added a blog page, so we can go see all my pages. My blog is still there existing. Maybe we will need to find it a place to connect to it. So try. That's how your site will be coming, and you will find your video is playing every time. So it is online link, and this one is coming as your my work, your page. Okay, you can pause it here, start it again. It's simply YouTube video learning or one uploaded from you. Okay, I come back to my dashboard. Appearance, themes, again. So I need to customize now this one, which is 2017. I have menus. For example, if I need to add menus, this theme is not coming with a menu like the previous one, so I will create a new menu. For example, I will say I will create menu. I will give it now menu 1. I will make it a top menu. Next. Okay, I need to add items to this menu. I will add my blog page as an item. Okay, and I will add my work as another item. Okay, and then I will publish. Okay, and then let we go and see how our menu is coming. Okay, you can see it here. It's coming under the video. That's my blog and my work are coming under the video. You can see it here. It's appearing on the screen. My blog and my work. This one is the top menu. Okay, so now we had learned a few tips and tricks that easily can make you start making your web page using WordPress and your RD. The beauty of having your WordPress customized using the admin tab on your computer using a local servers example, which we had installed in the previous time, is that you can customize it fully on your computer, and then you can upload it. Even in the future, if you make when you make an online to your web page, you need only to upload the theme or the modification to the themes that you had made. You upload it to your control or to your file manager on your control panel of the domain you are having, and voila, it will be running easily, very easily. Thank you very much for following so far. Hoping to see you in coming videos from this series.